Good day, everyone. My name is Aldrich Alvarez, and I'm from UMS grade 11-7. So, the topic that I will be discussing is piecewise function. So, what is piecewise function? Piecewise function. A piecewise function is a function that is defined by two or more equations where each question applies to a certain interval over a specified domain. So let's start the discussion.
Here are the examples of piecewise function. Given the piecewise defined function, so f of x equal to 4x plus 8 if x is greater than 0. Next is negative 7x plus 4 if x is less than 0. So, dito na, after natin dyan, mahanapin na natin yung f of 5. And then, next naman is yung f negative 7. So, dito, paano ba natin nakuha yung f of 5? Since 5 is greater than 0, so gagamitin natin yung formula nung nasa taas na 4x plus 8. So, paano natin siya nakuha? Bring down lang natin yung 4 and then yung f of 5 nilagay natin, pinalitan natin sa x. And then, bring down lang natin yung 8, bali kinapi lang natin. Ang next step naman ay minultiply lang natin yung 4 tsaka 5. So, ang lumabas is 20. Tapos, bring down natin yung 8. Kaya pag pinag-plus mo, yung 20 and 8 is equal to 28. Dito naman tayo sa f of negative 7. Simulan na natin. So, ang gagamitin natin dito na formula is yung negative 7 plus 4. Kasi yung negative 7 is less than 0. Same lang kanina. Kakapi lang natin yung negative 7, papalitan natin yung x ng negative 7 kasi yung value ng x is negative 7. Tapos copy lang natin ulit yung 4, bring down natin. Tatandaan naman natin dito na kapag parehong negative yung i-multiply mo, ang kakalabasan naman nun ay positive. So, negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. Bring down lang ulit natin yung 4. So, 4 plus 49 is equal to 53. Ayan na po yung mga answers natin. After natin doon, magbibigay ulit ako ng example. Dito, isusulat ko na yung formula na gagamitin natin para sa piecewise function na ating gagawin. So, ang ating gagamitin na formula ay 4x plus 8 if x is greater than 0. The next formula is negative 7x plus 4 if x is less than 0. So, yung ating hahanapin ay yung f of 2 and yung f of negative 4. So, umpisahan na ulit natin sa solution. F of 2 equals to 4x plus 8. So, paano ba natin nakuha yan? Ginamit natin yung formula na 4x plus 8 kasi nga yung number 2 is greater than 0. So, same lang sa ginawa natin kanina. Bring down natin yung 4 and then yung x is 2. Tapos, ibababa natin ulit yung 8 kasi bring down lang. So, yung 4 is imumultiply natin sa 2 and then 8 siya. So, ibababa natin ulit yung 8 copy, bring down lang ulit. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Ayan na yung final answer. So, hanapin naman natin yung f of negative 4. So, yung gagamitin natin na formula dito is yung 7x plus 4 kasi nga yung negative 4 is less than 0. So, paano ba uli natin nakuha? Ibibring down lang ulit natin yung negative 7. Tapos yung x is negative 4. And then, ibababa natin yung 4. Bringing down lang ulit natin yung 4. Lagi nating tatandaan pag parehong negative yung ating multiply is yung kakalabasan dapat nito is positive. So, negative 7 multiply by negative 4 is equal to 28. Tapos bring down lang ulit natin yung 4. So, 28 plus 4 is equal to 32. Ayan na ulit yung final answers natin. So, after nyan, magbibigay ulit ako ng mga another examples ng piecewise function. Dito naman, sinusulat ko na ulit yung formula na gagamitin natin. So, f of x is equal to, so dito may square root na tayo. F of x is equals to 6x squared by 2 plus 3 if x is greater than 6. 3x plus 8 if x is less than 6. Find f of 8 and f of negative 4. Umpisa na natin hanapin yung f of 8. F of x is equals to 6x squared plus 3. Yung formula na ginamit natin is yung nasa unahan sa taas kasi yung 8 is greater than 6. So, same sa ginawa natin kanina, ibababa lang natin yung 6 tapos yung x is papalitan natin ng 8 tapos i-bring down lang ulit natin yung 3. So makikita nyo yung 8 is may squared pa din kasi bring down lang natin. So, i-bring down lang natin yung 6 tapos yung 8 ini-simplify natin siya sa may 6 and then ang lumabas ay 64. Tapos i-bring down lang natin yung 3. So, dito sa kanina, minultiply natin yung 6 sa 64. Tapos ang lumabas ay 384. Tapos bring down lang natin yung 3 ulit. So, 384 plus 3 is equal to 387. So, dito naman na tayo sa f of negative 4. Yung formula na ginamit ko is yung 3x plus 8 kasi yung negative 4 is less than 6. So, ulit yung ginawa ko dito is bringing down ko lang ulit yung 3x. And then, yung x is pinalitan ko ng negative 4. Copy lang ulit natin yung 8, bringing down natin. So, ganon. After nun, lagi natin tatandaan kapag yung positive is mas mataas yung negative is yung kakalabasan is negative. Dito, minultiply ko lang yung 3 sa negative 4 and yung lumabas is negative 12. Tapos bringing down lang natin yung 8 ulit. Dahil mas mataas yung negative, ang gagawin natin is 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Ayan na yung mga sagot natin.
So that's the end of our vlog and discussion. So I hope you learned something, and I believe mathematics give us hope that every problem has a solution. So that's all. Goodbye.